Check out this 2006 Mazda 3. Everything you need under one roof with this great vehicle. With an efficient 4-cylinder engine, the powertrain includes front-wheel drive, driven by a 5-speed automatic transmission. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. The anti-lock braking system will keep you safe on the road. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Keyless entry, power door locks, power windows, cruise control, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player, a satellite radio, power mirrors. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, independent suspension. Call today to schedule a test drive.